back. In this video today I have a Lenovo monitor, 27-inch monitor. This monitor 27 inch size, and this monitor is on a height adjustable stand. This is a very dynamic monitor. This monitor model is P27h-20, and this monitor stand you can rotate, which is let you do space saving if you need it, and you can do tilt as well. As you can see, you can do tilt on that, and I already show you you can rotate. So let's have a look what it has the monitor. Wow, this monitor has a direct internet port in there. Those who need to connect use for the video call, you'll have a good internet speed if you connect into the internet port. And we can see mini USB, which is very handy for data transfer, and this has a HDMI display port as well, and this usual 3-pin power cable. So those wondering how to remove stand from this monitor, I'll show you in a second. To remove the stand, we leave the monitor on a flat surface always, and we should remove the wall sort of power connection. So first of all, we should remove this base plate if you really need it for the transport of this monitor. As it is very nice monitor, you should take care of it when you do transport, like taking to one place to another for your work purpose, or sending for your friend or family member. So as soon as you unscrew this, I'm sure this plate should come out. Oh yes, it is, just come out. So we'll leave down the side. So for you guys to see properly, I will rotate this stand, and you can see there is one clip is located. When the monitor is stand, it is very hard to see this clip. So to see you guys, I just lift up and lift the stand. There you go. This is how it's come off from the stand. If you want to attach it, just align and press that down, then you can attach the stand. So thank you very much. So this is the very nice addition of the monitor from the Lenovo. So thank you very much for watching this video.